welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. Thank you for watching my video. Please consider subscribing to the channel. I would love to have you a part of the channel. For the current subscribers, welcome back. Today we are making baked macaroni and cheese. I'm just starting the process. I already turned on the water to beginning the boiling process. So while we're waiting for the water to begin to boil, I've already put the butter in the skillet to begin the butter sauce. Sorry guys, there may be like some pausing in the video or me not talking in the video at points. My microphone wasn't working, so I'm having to do voiceovers for the entire video just to let you know. But we're going to get through this video. So thank you for understanding. Okay, so now I am just putting the pasta in the water. I did add a little bit of olive oil, a little bit of salt, and a little bit of chicken bouillon powder just to flavor the pasta. Okay, just stirring up the pasta to make sure that it is not sticking. Now I'm about to put the butter in the skillet to start the melting process for the cheese sauce. Oh. Pretty quick process. I definitely like I like doing this cheese sauce this way, but I like doing the like macaroni another way too. I will drop that video as well. I know some people don't do old school macaroni and cheese like with putting eggs in the milk, mixing it up, and also putting that in the mac and cheese, but I will do a video like that as well, because I like that particular recipe as well. I've been using it for years. So now I'm just stirring up the butter and the flour mixture. I just want to make sure that there's no lumps or anything like that. So make sure it's smooth before pouring in the heavy cream. After pouring in the heavy cream, I will add about 6 ounces of cream cheese. I'll break it up with a spoon until it melts. The seasonings that I'll add to the sauce will be some Cajun seasoning, some smoked paprika, a little bit of salt, and then a little bit of black pepper. After I mix this up and everything is stirred together, I'll begin mixing in the cream cheese. And then after that, the Kobe Jack Monterey cheese as well. Mm. Okay, as you can see, I'm about to add the cream cheese to the skillet. So we are just about done, you guys. Once this cheese melts, like, and everything is like stirred up, I'll be able to just mix everything together to make sure everything is well combined, and then put it in a baking dish. While this is stirring, you guys, please, 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 leave me a like, leave me a comment, subscribe to the channel if you have not already done so. It would help me out tremendously because I am trying to grow the channel. Thank you, thank you, thank you so much in advance. Okay, so now I'm about to pour the cheese sauce in with the pasta. and then stir it up until it's well combined. So now we can try to stir this up in just a moment. It's definitely enough cheese sauce. So one thing for sure, you don't have to worry about it not having enough cheese sauce, it being dry, it not being creamy or any of that. Like, extremely, extremely creamy. Okay. So we are almost at the end of this. I'm just about to pour it into a baking dish. Okay, so now I am just putting the cheese on top of the macaroni. I think if I had to say how much it is, it's probably maybe about a cup and a half that went on top of the cheese or on top of the mac and cheese. Um, After that, I put it in the oven on 375 for 30 minutes. And then I took the aluminum foil off and then put it on broil for an additional 10 minutes. Okay, so we are about ready to go in the oven. Um, Once it comes out, I will definitely come back with the results so you can see what it came out to look like. Hey guys, I'm back. So I'm just gonna let you see what it looks like. So it came out really, really amazing. Um, it's definitely really cheesy. So, this is my end results. Um, please like the video, leave me a comment, and subscribe to the channel. Talk to you soon. Bye, guys.